I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up an eSIM on your iPhone with Rogers can be a bit tricky, but following these steps will make it easier. Step 1. Check compatibility. Before activation, use the SR.com link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 2. Get your eSIM activation code. Contact Rogers customer support or visit their website to obtain your eSIM activation code. This is usually a QR code. Step 3. Open settings. On your iPhone, go to the Settings app. This is where you'll manage your cellular plans. Step 4. Add cellular plan. Tap on cellular and then select Add cellular plan. Use your camera to scan the QR code you received from Rogers. Quick gotcha. Make sure you're in a well-lit area when scanning the QR code, otherwise it might not read correctly. Step 5. Label your plan. Once the plan is added, label it for easy identification, like Rogers eSIM. This helps if you have multiple plans. Now you're all set. Enjoy your new eSIM with Rogers, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions.